10 English grammar, lesson 10. What is the lesson name? Countable and uncountable nouns. Okay. According to world grammar, as you look at the board, according to world grammar, there are 5 types of noun. Okay. There are 5 types of nouns. That is proper noun, common noun, collective noun, material noun, abstract noun. But according to modern English grammar, there are only 3 types. Okay. First one is proper noun, as you know the name of person, place, or things. Then countable noun and uncountable noun. In 3 part only, according to modern English grammar, the noun has been divided. Okay. So according to modern English grammar only, your lesson is there. So I will try to explain this one. So remember, okay, in the book also it is written, remember countable nouns. First of all, we will study about countable noun, then after that uncountable noun. Before that, as you know, proper noun, all of you understand that. Okay. So countable noun, the things which we can count. Okay, the name of person, place, or things which we can count. Okay, that is the definition of that one. Countable nouns are those nouns that we can count using numbers. Okay, suppose I am telling apple, then we can count now 1 apple, 2 apple, 3 apple. Then boy, how many boys are there? We can count. Then number of the school, the number of cat or any animals. So person, place, or things which we can count. Okay, the numbers that comes under countable nouns. Okay, that is the example of that. Then uncountable noun. Uncountable noun are there which numbers we cannot count. Okay, uncountable nouns are those that we cannot count with numbers. As we can count countable nouns, so we cannot count uncountable nouns. For example, water. Can you count the water? How many drops of water are there? Then milk, oil, air. These all things are uncountable nouns. According to that only you have to read this book and try to write the answers. Okay, like in first one, fill in the blanks with uncountable nouns using the picture clues. Picture is given here. According to this, you need to write down the answers. Okay, first one is a drop of, so what is there? Water is there, so write here water. Second one, a bar of chocolate. Third one, a spoonful of sugar. Then fourth one, a shower of rain. Fifth one, a few grains of rice. Then sixth one, a jar of sweets. Seven, a loaf of bread. Then eight, a cup of coffee. And the next page when you turn, lesson 10 next page. Okay, you see here three type of question. Write C for countable and U for uncountable noun. So here are name of noun is given here. So some are countable things which you can count, like money we can count 1 rupees, 2 rupees, 100 or 200. So that is countable. Song, as you are singing song or anybody is singing song, we can count that also. But suppose I am telling sugar, how many sugar are there? Are you counting that one? No, because that will take so much time and it is useless to count. So that comes under, sugar also comes under uncountable noun. Like this only you write by yourself. Okay, by yourself you write down all the answers in B. Okay, then after that I will explain the next lesson. Okay students, I was teaching you about lesson 10 just before about countable and uncountable noun. Okay, I hope you understood that one. And now we will study lesson 11. Okay, this is noun number. Okay, students, as we write different type of sentences, we are using noun as a singular noun or plural noun. Okay, the name of person, place, or things as a singular or plural. As you see in the sentence here. Okay, the first type of question here, like underline the singular noun and circle the plural noun in these sentences. You look at the board, underline the singular noun and circle the plural noun. Like there were no flowers in the garden. So in this sentence, okay, what is the what is written here instruction, underline the singular noun. Okay, so I have underlined this singular noun garden and circle the plural noun. So flowers is the plural noun, that I have made circle. So that is only you need to write down 1 to 8 all these sentences. Then B type of question is written here. Write the plural form for each of the words. It is written in singular form, you need to write in the plural form. As it is written here, lamp is written here, so lamps. S you have to add here. Then knife, KNIFE. For that one, what you need to write? KNIVES. Okay, according to grammar rules of English, you need to change some the spelling. Okay, I will explain about that one later on, and after that we will see the next type of. So C type of question, as you see here, write the singular form for each of these words. Okay, as you see here. So here in the plural form it is written here. As you saw in the B type of question, here written in singular form, and which you need to write in the plural form. Okay, but in the C, what you need to do here, it is written in plural form. You need to change. You need to write here singular form for each of the words here. Like first one is here peaches. So what you will write here? Peach, PITCH. Then churches, church. Elves, elf. People, person. Mice, mouse. Daisies, daisy. Tomatoes, tomato. Halves, half. The next page we will see. Now D type of question. What is the heading? Question written here there. D question. Rewrite these sentences. Rewrite means write again. These sentences write again by changing the highlighted nouns into plural form. As you look properly here, rewrite these sentences by changing the highlighted noun into the plural form. Here is also written in singular form, which you need to, when you are writing the answer for these sentences, then you need to change these highlighted words, which is written by maroon color. This one you need to write as your answer. In your answer, in your book also you can write down, or in your CW, English one CW, you can write there. For parrot, first sentence is written here. The parrot ate the chili kept on the terrace. So what you need to write here as your answer? The parrots, okay, ate the chilies. Okay, the parrots you will write as a from singular to plural form. Then for chili, what you will write there? Chilies. Then the second sentence, the child was happy to meet his new teacher. So what you will write there? Teachers in your answer. All other group of words will be same. All other thing writes same thing, but only these highlighted words, okay, which is in maroon color, which you need to change. You need to make from singular to plural form. Like this only you need to write for all these. Like third one is there mouse, so mice is right here. Then here the child is written here, so what you will write there? Children. Tooth is there, so teeth. For ox, what you will write there? Oxen. For omen, women. Then child, children. Then thief, thieves. So you write these sentences in your CW, and only these words you need to convert, okay? And seventh one, thief, thieves. Eighth, army, armies. Now E type of question. Rewrite these sentences by changing the highlighted noun from plural to the singular form. Here the words, highlighted words are written in plural form, which you need to write singular form in your as your answer. So the flies sat on the fruits. So what you will write as your answer? The flies sat on the fruit. Second one, the children sat on the chairs. So what you will write as your answer? The child sat on the chair. Third one, the last flowers fell from the trees. So what you will write as your answer? The last flower fell from the tree. Like this only you need to write down all these. Okay. Like fourth one, the man filled with buckets with water. So what you will write your answer? The man filled the bucket with water. Fifth one, the babies played with puppies. So what you will write here? The baby played with the puppy. Next one, the cows ate the potatoes from the fields. So what you will write as your answer? The cow ate the potato from the field. Then seventh one, he kept the brushes in the glasses after painting. So he kept the brush in the glass after painting. So all the other words you will write the same thing in the sentence, only these highlighted words you need to change. Okay, as I am giving instruction to you. Eighth one, the open windows made the mosquitoes come inside. So the window here will come as your answer, window and mosquito only. So here, now next one, the last type of question in your lesson 11. Fill in these blanks using the plural form of each of the nouns given in the brackets. Here the noun is given here in singular form, which you need to write plural form for this one. For house, houses. Tree, trees. A story, stories. Monkey, monkeys. Buffalo, buffaloes. Then brush, brushes. Mosquito, mosquitoes. Then street, streets. So like this only you need to write down by yourself. So I explain to you, you read, you listen carefully this video, watch carefully and listen, and according to that you write by yourself, and you can send me by my number. I will check. Okay, thank you.